Hi there everyone, so this is my cat Nala. She only has one eye. We rescued her, whereas she only had one eye. It was really bulbous and horrible. So we had to take her eye out. Now she's as happy as ever, and as you can see in my videos, she is a completely mad cat, if you've won or not. But I love her regardless. And if you look on my Instagram, I made her a little house, so she's got a loving family now. And I just wanted to show you Nala and also show you just a basic daily makeup look. So I hope you enjoy, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more content like this.
What they think I'm supposed to do, 'cause I want to give in, I'm probably miserable. The sky won't fall through, 'cause the rain seems to always fall where it's supposed to. Happen to the ones I thought I called my friends. Now they seemingly just mix into the crowd. I've got to stop taking pity when things end, and cry with the ones who always stuck around. I don't want what they think I'm supposed to do, 'cause I want to give in, I'm probably miserable. The sky won't fall through, 'cause the rain seems to always fall where it's supposed to. I wish I could tell that little girl that she's growing up in a fucked up world, and you lose yourself and come undone till you're back to the place where you begun. And I'm so happy to see her again, a nostalgic feeling I can't explain, 'cause she's been with me all these years. It's my old heart and I'm so glad she's here. Sky won't fall through, 'cause the rain seems to always fall where it's supposed to. I wish I could tell that little girl that she's growing up in a fucked up world, and you lose yourself and come undone till you're back to the place where you begun.
Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed this quick little video showing you how I do my daily makeup routine, and I hope you enjoyed me sharing you a little bit of information about my one-eyed sweet little cat Nala. So I also wanted to do this little fun thing with you guys, and that is, if you like my thumbnails and you would like me to make you a thumbnail, down below comment, and the first 5 comments will get a thumbnail from me, and you can use it in your next video. So do it now, and I look forward to creating all fun thumbnails for you lot. So bye for now, and I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll see you soon. See you later.